Hello and welcome to your body scan. This is your opportunity to make sure that your body is completely relaxed, ready for either sleep or meditation, so that your mind doesn't become distracted by niggles or aches and pains. So we're going to go on a tour around your anatomy, and I'm going to guide you every step of the way. What I'd like you to do as I guide you round your human body is to just notice any sensations that you feel in your body. And also, if there's any pain, niggles, anything at all, and just to make a mental note of them as if you're writing a report. Don't have any judgment, don't have any emotions about what you observe. Just observe whatever you notice as we journey around your body. Create a little bit of distance in that way by not having an emotional attachment and then getting worked up about anything that you do observe in your human body. And I'd like you to have a curiosity as well as we go round, and a real appreciation for the miracle that your human body is, that allows us to have this wonderful opportunity to navigate this life on earth. So as always with our body scans, we start at our third eye position. That's about 1/2 inch above your eyebrows in the centre of your forehead. And what we're going to do is, as I describe the route we're going to take, I'd like you to imagine you have a laser beam of attention, and that we're going to go along the route in a serpentine motion. That's like a snake going gently from side to side in almost a kind of reassuring rocking motion. Very rhythmical, very gentle as we go. So bring your awareness now to your third eye location in the centre of your forehead. As we start to journey up and across the full width of your forehead, as we go up towards your hairline. And then we're journeying up towards the top or the crown of your head, scanning right across the width of your skull as we go. And then we're moving towards the back of our head and the back of our neck. Going from side to side. And as we reach the back of our neck, we're now going to divide our attention in two as we separate out our awareness across the tops of our shoulders towards our shoulder cuffs. That's where our upper arms and shoulders meet. And then we're going to begin our journey down the top surface of our upper arms, scanning across the width of our bicep muscles. And we're going to penetrate deeper than just the surface skin level, going down and exploring our body down into the muscles, down into the bones. And as we go over joints, explore those joints. Notice the tendons and the blood vessels and the cartilage, everything about your body. Really explore as we go. Keeping your mind active so it doesn't become distracted in thought. Going down over the elbows and then down the top surface of your lower arms towards your wrists. Over all those small bones that make up your wrists and the tops of your hands. As we journey now towards the tips of your thumbs. And then back to where your thumbs join your hands. And then go down to the tip of each finger in turn, beginning with your index finger. And then back to your little finger, all the way across to your little fingers. And then back to where they join your hands. Then bring your awareness to the palms of your hands, scanning across the width as you head slowly towards your inner wrists. And then up the underside of the lower arms towards your elbow creases. Noticing those tendons that allow your fingers to flex and move. Then up the underside of the upper arms, heading towards your armpits. But before you reach your armpits, as you're scanning across the width of your arm, Head towards that dip beneath your throat by coming in front of your shoulders. Now we're going to explore down your chest. Bring your awareness right out to the sides where your ribs are. And we're going to slowly start moving down our chest. And we're going to go beneath the protective housing of your rib cage and explore all of your internal organs. And hold gratitude in our heart for all your vital organs that work together, communicate together, so that they sustain your life. Heading down slowly, scanning across the width of your abdomen now. So we head towards below your navel and then into your pelvic region. And then we're going to divide our attention in two again as we separate out to our hips and our hip bones. Then we're going to journey down the top surface of your thigh muscles, heading towards your knees. Scanning across the width of that deep quadricep thigh muscle, going down into our femurs, that large thigh bone. Heading towards your knees, then going over the top of your kneecap as we head down your shin bones. Heading towards your ankles, making sure every part of your body we're going over as we explore is totally relaxed, no tension. Then over your ankles as we go over the top surface of your feet now, heading towards the tips of your big toes. And then back to where your toes join your feet. Then take each toe in turn, finishing with your little toes, going to the tips and back to where they join your feet. Noticing the tiny bones that make up the construction of your toes. And now move to the soles of your feet, starting at the balls of your feet, scanning across the width, as if you're massaging the underside of your feet with your thumbs to get rid of any tension, any stiffness. Going right up into the arches of your feet as well as you head towards your heels. And now from our heels, we're going up the back of the lower leg at its lowest point, your Achilles tendons. Journeying up the Achilles and following it as it disappears into the back of your calf muscles. Then continue your journey up the back of the lower leg as you reach the back of your knee joint, that complex knee joint. Just explore in your mind's eye how that joint works. Have a curiosity about your human body. And then we continue moving up now the underside of your thigh muscles. As we head slowly towards your seat bones, we're scanning across the width. And then from our seat bones, we're bringing our awareness to the lowest point of our spinal column, our coccyx or tailbone. And we're going to start journeying up the spine, one vertebra at a time, as we're going up through the pelvis at the back. And then we're emerging out of the back of the pelvis. Bring your awareness out, separated out to your sides as you go. Notice those large muscles going up the side of either side of your spinal column, and explore out to the full expanse of the width of your back as we're journeying up towards our shoulder blades. Noticing any sensations. We're heading up towards that large muscle at the back and top of your shoulders. This muscle can hold a lot of tension throughout the day as little knots and niggles. So take this opportunity now just to lift your shoulders, tilt your head and neck from side to side, roll your shoulders back and forward to relieve any residual tension and knots that you might still feel in your shoulders. And then allow your shoulders to fall back and down in a relaxed posture. Now bring your awareness to the front of your throat. Move your awareness up into your lower jaw. Make sure your teeth are parted. And we're just going to relieve any tension that might have built up throughout the day in your jaw muscle. Often you can harbour anger and frustration as tension in your jaw. So with your teeth parted, just very gently move your jaw from side to side. Just a little bit, and then up and down. And then relax your jaw. Allow your tongue just to loll behind your teeth. And then bring your awareness to your top lip, to the tip of your nose, to the bridge of your nose, to your temples and your cheekbones, and then the very tops of your ears. And then in your mind's eye, visualize yourself tracing the outer edge of your ears down to your earlobes. And now to our eyes and our eyeballs. Our eyes are constantly working throughout the day to keep your human body safe, noticing your environment, taking it all in and processing it. And so we're going to give them a really nice stretch beneath your closed eyelids though, so keep them closed. And imagine a giant clock face in front of you with the 12 o'clock position being as high up underneath your closed lids as you can look, and the 6 o'clock position as low down as you can look. And we're going to draw the largest, slowest circles in a clockwise direction. So when you're ready, look up at the 12 o'clock position, keeping your eyelids closed, remember. And now draw that lovely large, very, very slow circle, stretching those eye muscles out to their fullest extreme, all the way round and back up to the 12 o'clock position. And once you reach the 12 o'clock, head anti-clockwise, all the way back. Really feeling that stretch in those eye muscles. Until you return back to the 12 o'clock position. Keep your eyes closed, and we're going to experience a lovely brow lift. So as if someone is pulling your eyebrows up to the ceiling. Experience that lovely light feeling and sensation across your upper eyelids. You might notice colours changing, patterns emerging on your upper eyelids, a bit like a lava lamp. If you do so, just enjoy the experience and observe. Keep those eyebrows lifted and relax them back down. Let gravity take them back. And now bring your awareness back to your third eye location from where we started. And just take a moment or two just to process anything that you observed or noticed, any sensations you experienced as you journeyed around your miracle human body. And take this opportunity now just to hold gratitude in your heart, to say thank you for all that your human body does that allows you to experience and navigate this life on earth. Often we only tend to notice our human bodies when something goes wrong or we're in pain. So it's always good to have an opportunity just to say thank you when things are going right.